So ORCID is an acronym. The expansion is Open Researcher and Contributor ID. Many researchers come across this ORCID number when we upload a paper. The publisher usually asks for the ORCID so that there is no confusion in the author names and the linking of author and research work is easy. So what exactly is this ORCID? As I said, it is the Open Researcher and Contributor ID. It was created in 2012 by a joint initiative from several organizations like Crossref, DataSide and the California Digital Library, including ORCID. This ORCID is a unique and persistent digital identifier that helps to distinguish researchers from the other authors, and it ensures accurate attribution and improved discoverability of an individual's work. Now, what is the significance of ORCID? As already mentioned, Open Researcher and Contributor ID ORCID, it is a non-profit international organization which provides a PI, that is persistent identifier, to distinguish authors and researchers. It ensures that the research output is correctly attributed and linked to a researcher's identity, and this allows for improved research assessment accuracy, more efficient communication of research results, and in fact better data management. Researchers can link their work and ensure that it is correctly linked to them by using this unique ORCID identifier. And Orcid also reduces the possibility of authorship confusion and inaccurate citation counts. Sometimes we see that the author names and even the initials, the expansion of initials are also similar. So there will be a confusion as to the authorship of the particular research article. And if the researcher has an ORCID, then this confusion will not be there. And generally researcher they may develop some doubts like what will happen if I don't create an Orcid ID. If we don't create an Orcid ID, then we may have difficulty in gaining access to certain research resources and services like funding and networking collaborations, and even in fact we can say for recognition of our work. And furthermore, our work may not be properly attributed to us and may be confused to the work of others with the same name. So that is why it is essential that we create an Open Researcher and Contributor ID. Now this ORCID is a unique 16-digit identifier, and for example of such identifier it will be like 0000 hyphen 000, another 4 digits hyphen 4 digits hyphen. So you will have 16 digit identifier. So in short, ORCID is Open Researcher and Contributor ID.